touched. Get touched. We're gonna start off with cleansing the face. I'm taking a facial wipe. Then I'm gonna go in and clean up her brows. She hasn't had her brows done in a while. So I'm just taking a razor. I'm not gonna use wax today. And we're just cleaning up those brows, making sure everything is nice and neat.
Going out with your boo or with your crew, you'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say. All eyes gonna be on you. Take a seat.
As you can see, we're not changing the shape of her brows. Again, we're just cleaning them up.
She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mirror, please.
Now I'm going in with the primer and moisturizer of my choice. She has dry skin, so I went with the hydrating primer. And I'm filling in those brows. Nothing too heavy, just filling in all the sparse areas.
You ain't never been till you've been touched by LaFone. Anything you show up, I betcha she can do it better. Get touched.
It's time to clean up and trace the brow. So I'm taking a concealer that's one shade lighter than her complexion. Very much so close to her complexion. You don't want it to be too bright. And I'm just cleaning them up, making them crisp, blending it out. No harsh lines.
House did it, looking to get pretty. I know you can go get it right. Put it away.
Now this is an important step. I'm using a white shimmer base. Yes, I said shimmer, and there's a reason for that. I'm gonna put a matte eyeshadow on top of the shimmer base. You'll see why.
Face beat up, hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat.
Going in with a matte brown that's close to her skin tone. And if you look closely, you can see where the brown hits the shimmer base. It gives like this metallic look to it. That's what we want. Now I'm going in with a darker brown, just in the outer V. It's gonna add some depth and some dimension to this look. Didn't want to use black, so I didn't want to go too harsh. But again, I'm using a dark brown. Look at that pink. Now we're going to go in with the pink. And following the pink, we're going to go in with the purple.
Get touched. Get touched. Get touched. If you feel like hitting the town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like, feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty, I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew, you'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say. All eyes gonna be on you. Take a seat, getting my face beat up.
We're going to go in with a very, very golden light pink color in a tear duct to brighten up the eyes. Followed with that, we're going in with a glitter glue with the pink glitter. After the pink glitter, we're going to do a purple glitter.
Touched by LaFone, magic in a touch, savage with the brush. Get touched, get touched. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been till you been touched by LaFone. Anything you show up, I betcha she can do it better. Get touched, get touched.
I'm now blending. The key is blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to dust off any excess glitter, as well as wipe as much off with a baby wipe as possible. Moving into the foundation. I'm actually taking a powder brush to apply this foundation, and then I'm gonna go in and smooth it out with another brush.
Take a seat, getting my face beat up, hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. Mirror please. In love with the new me, from cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. Never been touched. You ain't never been till you've been touched by LaFone. Touched by LaFone.
I'm taking a concealer of my choice, and I'm going one shade lighter than her complexion, and then I'm going to go in with about 2 to 3 shades lighter than her complexion under the eye and blend it out.
Get touched, get touched. Get touched. Get touched. Get touched. If you feel like hitting the town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like, feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty, I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew, you'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say, all eyes gonna be on you. Take a seat, getting my face beat up, hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. Mirror please. In love with the new me, from cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. Never been touched. You ain't never been till you've been touched by LaFone. Touched by LaFone. She got that magic in her touch.
Now I'm going to set the concealer with a powder. It's a light translucent powder. And then I'm going to set the rest of her face with her skin complexion powder. Then we're going to move on to contouring.
Get touched, get touched. Get touched. Get touched. Get touched. If you feel like hitting the town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like, feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty, I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew, you'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say, all eyes gonna be on you. Take a seat.
Now I'm adding a shimmer highlight on the top of her cheekbones, her brow bone, down the middle of her nose, the top of her lip, and her chin and forehead. Moving on to liner. I'm using a liquid liner today. And I'm not going to do a dramatic wing. I'm going to do a very soft wing. After the liner, we're going to move on to lashes and mascara, followed by lips. And stay tuned for the rest of the video. You won't hear me no more until the next video. Toodles. I love you guys.
Get touched, get touched. Get touched. Get touched. Get touched. If you feel like hitting the town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like, feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty, I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew. You'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say. All eyes gon' be on you. Take a seat, getting my face beat up. Hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me, from cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. Never been touched. You ain't never been till you've been touched by LaFone. Touched by LaFone. She got that magic in her touch. Savage with the brush. Get touched.